Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account using your phone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. But before we do, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more content like this. So first, open up the PayPal app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and just open it. And now that you're in, tap on balance at the top of the screen. This will take you to your PayPal balance overview. Next, tap on the transfer button, and this will give you the options for transferring money. Now, choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Make sure you already have a bank account linked to your PayPal. And finally, just enter the amount you want to withdraw. And once you've done that, confirm the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.